Hi everyone, it's Justine here from House of Mahalo. Thanks so much for joining me. I'll just make this a very quick one today because I am here to redraw my 2000 subscriber giveaway winner. So I only heard from one out of the two winners. So I'm going to redraw the UK winner because I've left it for about a week. I think that's long enough. So I'm going to ask my device to pick another number. So Alexa, pick another number between 1 and 8.
Here's a number between 1 and 8. It's 6.
6 is Anna Milford. So Anna, if you could get in touch with me via email, my details should be down below. Just as a reminder, you've got a choice between an Edith Holden altered file folder kit and the 2 Flower Fairies storybooks that I showed on my last video. So if you could email me with your address and which prize you would like to have, and then I can get that out to you sharpish. Just like before, I'll give it about a week to hear from Anna. So that's that. Whilst I'm here, a couple of you did ask about my Positively Present calendar and how you wanted to see some of the artwork. So here is today's. Hopefully that's straight. I realise my camera looks a little bit wonky, but I don't know if it's just me. So this is today's artwork. It says, "It's okay if you need a lot of alone time to stay sharp." And then it says, "I'm the pencil. Alone time is the pencil sharpener, and the cuttings or shavings that come off are stress, anxiety, and overstimulation." So this definitely fits me. Yeah, I like being around people and everything, but I do need my alone time, my downtime to, I've always called it recharging. So I essentially recharge my batteries when I'm on my own, so that I can be the perky, positive self I like to think that I am. And I have a feeling you'll probably see this video tomorrow, so I'll show you this one. This is my tomorrow, your today. So it's a picture of a book, it looks like. Can you see that nice and clearly, hopefully? And it says, "The way you tell the story of who you have been impacts who you'll become." Oh, I like that one. I just love this artwork, I really do. It's just so interesting how she does it. You know, she talks about the story and it's a book, and here we are, dreary old little Rose in the rain. But if we describe ourselves and tell the story of who we are in a positive way, then we'll hopefully be this rose at the end of the rainbow. Isn't that lovely? I like that. So this one I love just for, it's so absolutely me. And this one I love just for, well, the idea of it, but also how it looks on the page. So there you go. When I remember, I will show you those. I can't show you them like every single day because I don't do videos every day. But I will show you them when I'm able to, and particularly videos like this. You know, it's a catch up, it's just a chatty thing, it's very much in the moment. Hello. So yeah, I'm able to do that and have that all go nicely for you. That's it, short and sweet. So Anna Milford, if you could please email me with the prize that you would like and your address, and I'll have that out to you soon. And yeah, see you on the next video then. Bye-bye for now. Thanks so much, everyone. Thank you again.